Tell me when it's recording.
It's recording.
Hi everybody. Hi Joe. Hi Amaya. Hi Sabi. You can see my hair is growing. So tonight I was going to go out to dinner and I decided to go without a scarf on. So I'm just going to go with my hair combed back like this. It's growing. What else? I love my postcards. Thank you so much, Joe, for writing to us. We get so happy every time we see those postcards. And all of your videos that your daddy takes, I love seeing them. I am going to change my pants. I'm not going to wear these to dinner. But when I get home, my favorite polka dot pants. Bye, everybody. I love you.